Surat. At the age of 20 to 23, my hair goes start following. After that, at the age of 30, my hairline goes so deep. So I think about that, and I try so many medicine, but there is no any changes in that. One day I search in YouTube regarding hair, and I show some video of SHYAMOSA clinic. After that I decide to visit the clinic. After that I visit the clinic. Dr. Chetan guide me so in detail. He guide me. After that he suggests me that your hairline is go so deep, so you can do a hair transplant. After that I decide to take a second visit. In the second visit he give me full detail about surgery, what time it takes and what the cost is there, and after surgery what is the precaution you have to take care. All that he guide me very easily, so I can understand it that, and I decide to do hair transplant for my hairline. After that my surgery was done. Today at the end of 10 months my hair is like you can see in the video. You all can see the hairline also and my hair growth also. After surgery, in within 10 days, what are the cure you have to take, how to wash your head, all these things he guide me so properly. After that you have to take PRP sessions, all the detail he guide me so clearly, and today I am very satisfied of my hair growth. You all can see it.